Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look using the new Juvia's Place, the Tribe palette. So right now I look a little crazy. I'm just coming back. I literally I filmed this before and I had to leave the house because I had to go get my shorty. Come here, shorty. Come here, shorty. Hi, shorty. Shorty had a Christmas show today. Right? What did y'all sing? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a little shiny nose. Okay, shorty. Disappear, shorty. Alright, go away, shorty. Okay. I do apologize in advance if my voice sounds a little bit crazy because I am a little sick, but you know, I have to do this for you guys, so. So, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. But first I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer and I'm going to base my eyelids for my eyeshadow. And I'm just going to set it with my Maybelline loose powder, and this is medium. So first I'm going to pick up this shade right here in the corner, the bottom corner, and I'm going to just dust this over. I'm going to use this as my transition color or my base color. Then I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to apply that right under my brow bone, which I should have did first, but you know, I wasn't thinking about it. So without picking up any more product, I'm just going to take the same brush that I used before. I'm just going to blend out right here in the crease. I'm going to take a different blending brush and I'm going to pick up this shade right here and I'm going to apply this to the outer V and also a little bit in the crease. So I'm just going to go back into this shade right here and just blend it out a little bit because it kind of got lost. So I want to use this shade right here, but I'm not exactly sure where I want to put it. It's a metallic green, similar to this one down here, but this one has like purple reflex in it, if that's the right term. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but yeah, it's really pretty. But I'm going to hold off for a second and I'm gonna pick up this gold shade right here and I'm going to apply that right on my lid. And I always have to make sure, like, when I'm doing whether it's a halo eye or I'm putting like shadow like all over my lid and I have other shadow like in my crease, I always have to make sure that I put it right over where my eye actually creases at, because if I don't, then it'll transfer all over the place and it won't look right. So to eliminate that issue, I just have to make sure that I'm going all the way over past where my eye actually creases at. Because even though we always say the crease, everybody doesn't really have an actual crease or like a hooded eye. But because I do, I have to take special measures. I'm going to take this is the Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to go into that green metallic shade that I was speaking of earlier, and I'm going to put this right on the outer V and towards the gold. Not quite halfway my lid, but like almost halfway my lid. And I'm just going to take the brush that I blended out the first green shade with, and I'm going to I'm not going to pick up any product. I'm just going to blend the edge out a little bit so it'll blend in with each other. And then I'm going to take this shade here and I'm going to apply that right in the center of my lid, but I'm not going to like cover the entire part of where the gold is. Then I'm just going to take my little tiny blending brush again and I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm just going to take my eyeliner. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner and I'm going to make a cat eye. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean this up a little bit because it's all over the place. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my foundation and my bronzer off camera. I'm using the the Born This Way foundation, and I'm using it in the color Chestnut, and I'm also using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is in C6, and that is soft Sable, and I mixed the two because the Chestnut for Born This Way, it could be a smidge red on my skin, and I kind of just use the True Match to kind of like, you know, make it mesh together. Yeah. If you want to see an updated foundation routine, just let me know down below in the comments, because I haven't done one in a really long time. I want to use this green, but I don't know if it's going to make sense for me to use this green, but okay. I'm going to pick up this dark shade that we used, well, I used before, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this very, I want to say pastel orange, and I'm going to use the same brush again and just apply that on the inner part of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up this shade again. This was the shade that I used under my brow bone, and I'm going to apply this in my tear duct. So I went ahead and applied the rest of my makeup off camera, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Anything that you did not see me use or apply, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think. Also, please guys, subscribe. Don't be scared, just subscribe. There's so many of you that watch some of my videos, and why y'all not subscribing? Like, it's not gonna hurt you. Shout out to my new subscribers though. I appreciate your support. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh.